This may or may not look like it, but this is Red from Red and Ted's Roadshow. So Red suffered, well, she was getting an eyelid lift, basically. Mine broke in half. Ordered new eyelids. To get the eyelids, I wish I had made a video of it, and I have to do it on Ted, but to get the eyelids in place, basically what you had to do was you have to pull this whole assembly out. For me, I took out, there's this bracket here that holds the eyelids in, okay? I had to take this bracket out, 2 screws on this side, 3 on this side. There's actually another little bracket right here that controls the eyelid closing, and that just sort of holds it into place. So I had to take all that out. The eyes pop out, and then I was able to kind of pull this apart a little bit to get this to tension in. It also, I had to take out this little solenoid here is what controls the eyelids opening, I guess. It engages and pulls them open. So it attaches to a little lever right there. You can kind of see it. Let's see if I can get in there. It attaches right here, but the way that it sits in, you have to kind of go in at a funny angle to get it. So you have to loosen this whole thing up so you can, it's attached to this little armature right here. You have to loosen the whole thing up so you can get this whole thing up and out of here. The eyelids kind of go on backwards, snap into place, and then turn. And if you look at this one, it's like a little keyed thing, right here. So it's got to kind of go in this way. Doop. Hold on. Oh man, butterfingers. It's got to go in kind of like this, and then you rotate it all the way around, and that's what locks it onto this little guy. So it's actually, I thought it might be pretty simple, and outside of the 400 steps you have to take to replace the eyelids, it is fairly simple. So these screws, get this bracket off, pop the eyeballs out, loosen up this solenoid, lift this little lever up, pop the eyelid in place through its little keyed thing, rotate it back in, snap it into place. Then the hardest thing I had was getting the eyelids to sit in correctly, because this bracket that you've taken off, they kind of sit in there. Whoop, little hole right there. And then they sit into a little bracket up at the top, up here too. So yeah, not very much fun, but yeah, not too terribly hard. I will do another video when I do Ted. How about that? Okay, that's all. Bye.